People keep telling me, oh, it's Akrapovic. Like, I'll go for it, but I keep saying Akrapovic because everyone says it. Hello boys and girls, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, Super Duke. Yes. If you guys haven't noticed just yet, as I turned around obviously for like a split second, I decided to actually throw this Acra titanium slip-on for a couple of days, and unfortunately I have to throw the cat on, but I will say this is an interesting setup. So you guys probably don't know that I actually had this from the first day I bought this bike. So this bike came with it, and yeah, I just threw it right off and threw the Dominator GP3 on. Yeah, this is a very neat setup. I actually quite like it, to be honest. It's very peppy. It's not too loud, but it's not too quiet. It is, I don't know, it's in a way it's a little bit like, you know, gold really, and it completes the design of the bike. I mean, look at that. Fills in the gap there. I'm not really a big fan of, you know, these chunky bits here, but it'll do. It'll do. Yeah, so I've actually been riding around with this Acra exhaust for a couple of days now, and I'm quite well enjoying it, to be honest. I will say, if you had to make me choose, I'd probably still go with the Dominator, only because it's loud, okay? It's very loud. It's obnoxiously loud. With this thing, I can get away with a couple of things, you know, the non-legal things. And, yeah, I don't really have to worry about it so much, but yeah, she's been very good. And this thing's light as hell. I mean, like, you can still lift it up with, like, even your pinky finger wouldn't even hurt. But it's very good exhaust. I really like it. But before we get back out on the road, let's just hear what she actually sounds like. I mean, like, it's very nice. Hopefully it stays there. So I mean, it's quite nice. It's not too quiet, but it's not too loud either. It's just in the middle. It's in the sweet spot, and I really like it. It is not that bad. Alright, let's get on the road. Okay, so yes, as I've said, I've actually been riding with this exhaust on for a couple of days. I take it on and off just on occasion, you know. Just today I decided to throw it back on because I needed to take a couple of shots without pissing people off with the loud Dominator exhaust. So the Acra is the way to go, really, and it comes with the cat. The Dominator does come with a baffle in it, but the baffle is pretty much a straight pipe. It's so useless. Come on, ABS, turn off. Yes, I do ride with traction control and ABS off. ABS, I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I hate it. Some people like it, some people hate it. I hate it. Listen to it. Oh, this exhaust, mate. Oh, like, it's a little perfect in my wall. Oh, there's a chain in the middle of the road. Let's go remove that chain before someone else runs it over. On a safe place to turn around here, eh? There's a street up ahead. Here we go. No one wants to really hit a chain on the road like that, because neither would I. And you gotta watch out for these leaves. Where is that chain? There you are. There you are. There's nowhere really safe to stop on the road, but we'll try and get out the way anyways. So I've got to chuck another U-turn because I can't do sharp U-turns like that, you know. It's nope, not possible for me. Just turn the hazards on. See? Hazards, man. Hazards. Okay, back to where we're going. This exhaust is very, very nice. It even crackles to the point where it's just crisp. You know, it's not too obnoxiously loud, it's not too quiet. It is very, very crisp. You know, when you pick up a chip out of a chip bag, or potato chip bag for you Americans, you know, when you grab a chip and you get that nice solid juicy dry-ish crunch, anyways, it is that perfect. I like it a lot. And then the big ones, you get really nice big pops and stuff like that on the Dominator GP3 exhaust, and I love it. I love it. Sometimes it can become a little bit too loud, and it does to a point get annoying, to be honest, because when I'm just trying to enjoy the ride and have a nice, chill, relaxing day, the Dominator, it does the part, but the bike is a little bit too loud at points. I'm becoming an old man by saying this, aren't I? Oh, damn rocks. I love the Dominator exhaust, but I still have a thing with the Acra. The only problem is I gotta take it on and off, on and off. Again, my Dominator baffle does squat. It doesn't do anything. It's practically like a straight pipe, but the GP3 exhaust, the Dominator, is about this big through the outlet exhaust, and then when you flip the baffle in, it's about yay big, and it's still a straight pipe. It doesn't do anything. It's useless, really. It is a bit of a pain throwing the Acra exhaust on, but it does the work. It absolutely does the work. And see, if I had the Dominator exhaust, all those neighbors to my right here would be pissed off already, but it's not that loud, so no one can really hear me. Obviously, when you're moving through a car area like this, they can still hear you, but yeah, if you're like gunning it like 4Ks down the road, none of the houses can hear you, you know. So I'll open it up a little bit and let you have a listen to what she sounds like when you actually give her some. Right within your limits, guys. See, she's got the pep. She's got the pep. If you still want some to make, if you still want to make some noise, I'm just trying to concentrate a little bit. Trying not to hit the pucks, the cat's eye with my pucks. So I'm not trying to go too fast. I'm not trying to push it, but you can still hear that bike's still got a lot of go. Ooh, that's why we don't go too fast. Oh, Supermoto, yes, boy. Yeah, boy. Look at that. That looks to be a DRZ400, I believe. I don't know. But I know up ahead's a Ninja 300 because I used to have one of those. You can tell by the tail sidey. So yeah. You can tell by the tail of the bike. I think that is a DRZ400. Oh, I really, really want a Supermoto. But yeah, this exhaust is nice. Very nice. And also this exhaust, I do notice as well that bottom end, it actually has more oomph. Top end, yeah, not so much, but you know, I'd rather have torque over speed, really. Like, speed's fun, but a lot of torque is a lot better. Inches away from the long grass. So yeah, this thing's, I like it. See, like I said, it's not too loud to the point where, you know, cars and neighbours can hear you, where you're so obnoxious and stuff, but it does the job quite well. So, like I said, you still get the noise. Oh, it's so good. And then the nice crisp pops and crackles that you really want in a bike. It is that juicy, guys. If you got an Acra Slip-On, and you guys are riding with it every day, it is, oh, I can't explain it, but it's so good. And then the GP3 Dominator exhaust, like I said, it's a good exhaust, but it's obnoxiously loud. If I heard my own bike coming down I'll be like, yeah, that's way too loud, because I can hear it way before I see it. It is, oh, so loud. Like, it's good loud, but it's, to me, it's a little bit over the top, you know. The Akrapovic exhaust is, like, that's stock, alright? Imagine this, the top of the tank here is stock, alright, the stock exhaust. Alright, the Acra is from here, and then the Dominator is like, whoop, way up, because it's practically a straight pipe, really. It's a Decat system with a straight pipe. Sorry, I went over the line there. I hate doing that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. And I think I'm running out of puck too. Yeah. Oh guys, I gotta show you this real quick. Look at this, look at this. I've literally ran out of the top of my puck. Look at that. Hang on. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Look at that. I ran out of it. Oh gosh, it's just the top, but oh, I keep running, and I haven't had. Yeah. Ah, I can't English. I haven't had these particular pucks for not even like a month, you know, and like, oh gosh, I've used them up already. The amount of fun you can still have with this bike, it's very doable. And then if you're really hooning, then, you know, I'd say whatever, you know, set the bike up to what you want, but I'd get a quieter exhaust, you know, just to get away with the little things. But yeah, man, this exhaust is great. It is absolutely great. I enjoy it. So like, I'll still take it off and throw the GP3 on. Like, I still enjoy it just as much. But yeah, like, the edge still goes to GP3. You know, it gives the bike that sense of character. You know, it is nicknamed the Beast by KTM. By throwing the GP3 exhaust on, it gives it that extra edge for the noise. I'll put a video right here of what the GP3 exhaust sounds like, the Dominator. And then now the Acra. Yeah, you can see and hear, Dominator does sound a lot better, but I will still say that the Acra exhaust, I don't know, it gives it a bit of a premium sound. You can hear the engine going on as well as the chain, because I can hear that right now. And then you can still hear the exhaust as well. There's just something about it I can't put my finger on. But yeah, it is a very, very nice exhaust. I will not lie, the Acra is a very, very nice exhaust. I mean, like, see? It is it is a very, very awesome exhaust for this bike. I highly recommend it. I believe like retail price for a slip-on is probably like $800 to $1,200 Australian dollars I'm talking about. Yeah, I highly recommend getting one. If you're looking for performance, I'd say get the Acra. If you're looking for just really noise, I would just highly recommend getting the Dominator GP3 exhaust, or the Austin Racing, or the SC Project. Whatever suits your fancy, you know, whatever suits your fancy. Hello car, I saw you a mile away. I really, really do enjoy this exhaust. I really do. I just don't put it on that much, but from time to time I'll put it on. Like I say, it really just depends for the mood that I'm in, really. But again, today I had really no choice because I don't want to piss the neighbors off. So I went to go take a couple of photos with the bike, and I have to go through the area repeatedly. So try to be nice and courteous and actually throw the Acra exhaust on with the Decat. Not the Decat, with a cat. It's got a cat, not an actual live cat. Okay, it's just got a catalytic converter. Alright, they just call it a cat, but it's not alive. Alright, don't worry for you animal lovers. Like, I could literally enjoy the ride right now because it is peppery and quiet. So you still get a little bit of spice. It's not overdone. As to what Gordon Ramsay would say, for a big bike with a lot of torque like this, which isn't too obnoxiously loud, but it's just crisp, elegant, and beautiful. It is the most amazing thing I've ever ridden, and it will. I'm stuffing up my English today, and it really well is. Akrapovic does, or Akrapovic. I think I've been saying it wrong. Akrapovic, I don't know. What do you guys think? People keep telling me, oh, it's Akrapovic. Like, I'll go for it, but I keep saying Akrapovic because everyone says it. Akrapovic, okay, I'll say it now, makes really, really good exhausters. I love their products. I really, really do. And yeah, it does cost an arm and a leg for it, but they make really, really good exhaust systems. I love it. But yeah, some designs I don't like too much, like for the MT-07s and the MT-09s, and then now which they brought out for the Ninja 650s and a couple other Kawasaki's as well as a few other bikes, where they've stuck the titanium exhaust system under the bike where it's flush, like right under where my foot peg is, and it keeps the look of the bike very, very crisp and clean. And then when bikes that have the exhauster stick out on the side, like the Acura exhaust that's got on now, it's not really that nice, in my opinion. Some people like it, some people don't. I personally don't really like it too much. See, if I had the GP3 on, my bike would sound just like that WRX. Like, it's not bad, but it's just when you're trying to move without moving so fast, it's just a little bit too loud for the streets. You know, you know what I'm saying. Yeah. Oh, he's got a soft serve. I want one. I want one. I love that. So, I am going to end the video here, boys and girls. Alright. Yeah, I've actually got a few other things I've got to do today, but thought I'd try and get the vlog in right now whilst I've got this exhaust system on, because I've actually been meaning to do it for a while. So, I don't know how to finish it off. like I said, I vlog and then I don't vlog for a couple of weeks and I vlog again. It's just it's like on and off really. But hope you guys and girls enjoyed the video. You guys stay safe, take care, and I'll see yous on the next one. Peace. Whoa, that almost came in my face. Right in the face, son.